Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a video into another language with AI. Alright, so first thing first, we need to go to app.rask.ai. On this page, you want to sign up with an account. You can sign up with your email and password, or you can just sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign up with Google. Alright, choose your role. Alright, so right here we have view plans and upload video. So from what I can gather, we have a free plan. So let's upload a video. Alright, so you can either choose your video on your PC or you can paste a link. Okay, so I'm going to select the video, something. Alright, and done. So number of speakers in this video, auto detect. Original language, auto detect. So we want to translate to so I'm going to go with German, right? Then translate. Alright, so our video is done. Click to play your new translated video. So let's check it out.
Die Ende-zu-Ende-Verschlüsselung stellt sicher, dass deine Nachrichten nur von dir und dem Empfänger gelesen werden. Standardmäßig verwendet Facebook Messenger.
Okay, this is nice. As you can see, it works perfectly. Okay. Alright, so it says edit text, speaker, and voice here. Got it. Alright, so you can do some edits. You know, you can apply changes once you have edited some of the things. Maybe you think some of the things you've written in your language is not correct. So you can edit it and then. So, and once you've done that, you can just download, right? So download video, translated video with lip sync. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to translate a video in German. So I'm going to save this video right here. Okay. Translated video. All right. So I'm going to save it and I'm going to translate it back to our previous language, which is English, to see how it works. Let's go back and add a new video. Here. Auto detect, translate to you as English, okay? So you can select whatever English you want. So I'm going to go with US English and click translate. So you have to get in mind, it takes a little bit of time to translate the video or audio quickly, okay? Alright, so now we have translation back to English. Now let's check it out.
Facebook Messenger uses standard encryption, which... Did you know that your Facebook Messenger chats can be completely private? End-to-end encryption ensures that your messages are only read by you and the recipient.
Alright, as you can see, it works perfectly. So this is the easiest way to translate a language with AI from a video. So if you get something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.